Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Pinty Tactical Rifle Scope. This is the best crossbow scope in this list. Its glass was clear and the magnification was good. Lights up the reticle for my tired old eyes, and even if the battery dies, the reticle is still clearly visible. I highly recommend. Precise elevation and windage adjustment. Kellner eyepiece with dioptric adjustment lens eliminate most of image aberration. 5 brightness level for better adaptability to diverse lighting conditions. Red and green illuminated reticle. 5 brightness levels for all environments. Waterproof, fog-proof performance, nitrogen-filled and O-ring sealed for waterproof, fog-proof performance. For details, let's watch more.
Hello, today you and I are going to discuss this awesome new scope by Pinty. It's a scope and laser combo, has a red laser with it. It is a 10x40 powered scope. It comes with 3 batteries for the laser, which if you unscrew the little button where the button is, that's where those go in. And it also has a crosshair. The crosshair lights up red or green depending on how bright you want it, and that battery goes on the dial to adjust the brightness controls for that and swap back and forth, as you can see me tightening up right now. Go ahead and check out. You can see for yourself. There's the green. Well, let me get around to the camera for you. Okay, there's the green crosshairs. As you can see, they light up green with different brightness options, and there's the red. Now the red doesn't work too well during the day, but at night it works really well, or to the dusk hours. So to mount this scope, you simply use the hand screws and loosen it up and mount it. Now when you go to mount these, I'd recommend adjusting it where the eye relief is best for you, where you actually see the whole crosshair, and then tighten it down. Make sure you tighten it down as much as you can without stripping the threads, of course. That way when you're shooting, it doesn't lose zero. So when you're shooting, it doesn't come loose and move around, because then you would lose your zero or your accuracy, causing you to have to redo it all over again. To adjust the scope, there's a screw cap on top and a screw cap on the side. The top adjusts the up and down, and the right side adjusts your left and right actions. So we got a round in the chamber. Let's send this bullet down range and test out this scope. Personally, I find this scope pretty comfortable. The eye relief could be a little bit better, but for the most part, it works really well. It's nice and sleek. It isn't heavy, so it fits on your gun really nicely. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a little bit about this scope. Go ahead and check it out, put it in your cart, and thank you and have a wonderful day.
Our second best crossbow scope is the Orman Hunting Rifle Crossbow Scope. I love this red and green dot scope. It works on my PSAR pistol and it is of great economical value and quality. It is pretty solid rifle scope. It is very good quality with such a competitive price. Have played for a while, the rack is stable and the 3 dots aim is okay for me. Need some time to adapt this, it is better for a crossbow. There is an adjustment switch on the side, too. Overall, a good deal. Love this little sight. Zeroed it at 30 yards on a crossbow with no issue. Precision windage and elevation adjustments, features high-low profile, quick release mounts use special screws. Multi-coated lens sealed with nitrogen, waterproof and fog-proof, works great in all weather conditions. Red or green dual illuminated dot reticles with 5-level brightness control. Solid aluminum alloy construction, durable and shockproof. The use of multi-layer coated lenses with higher clarity and clearer optical path. Third choice in our list is CV Life Illuminated Scope. The magnification works superbly, offering clarity for close-in as well as distant targets. It doesn't require batteries unless you want to use the laser and illuminated reticle, and you can shoot bullseyes all day long from 25 to 300 yards. Bullet drop compensator allows quick adjustments of the reticle for shooting targets at specific distances. Multi-coated green lens, with much higher light transmittance compared with normal blue lens, allows clearer images. Special 2-in-1 design is scope and gun sight laser built together to ensure precise shooting. Multi-coated green lens boasts much higher light transmittance compared with blue lens made of high-strength aircraft aluminum. It's easy to use. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Hawk XB30 Pro. I was looking for a cheap and reliable rifle scope and I found this one and purchased for it. Honestly, I was not expecting a high quality product because of the price range. But it was amazed me with its high grade material and lightweight design. This is one of the best crossbow scope with 16-layer fully multi-coated optics for exceptional clarity and low light performance. It has fast focus eye bell and high torque zoom ring. You can select speeds from 215 to 450 FPS. Its stepless rheostat offers total brightness control. It has 30mm monotube chassis for superior strength. This scope is specially designed for crossbow, with floating range-finding bars for a clear field of vision. Last in our top 5 best crossbow scope list is your tactical scope. This is a great scope, the sight picture is nice and clear. To anyone who actually shoots, here are the most important aspects of the scope. Eye relief on this scope is perfect for a mid-caliber semi-automatic rifle. A scope mounted close to the rifle ensures proper cheek weld on the stock for a stable firing position and allows for rapid target acquisition. We recommend using the lowest possible ring height. No specific clearance is required, but the scope must clear the bolt handle, hammer, sights, and barrel. When installed, be sure that your scope does not interfere with firearm operation and does not make contact with anything except for the mount rings. With the scope as far forward in the mounts as possible, hold the rifle in your normal shooting position. Without disturbing the optimal eye relief position, rotate the scope until the elevation adjustment dial is at the top of the scope. From a firing position, check to be sure that the vertical hair of the reticle aligns with the vertical axis of the firearm. Nitrogen charged with weather-resistant seals, blue-fused multi-coated lens provides superior light transmission, resolution and scratch resistance, windage and elevation adjustment. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.